17, so let's bring back in meteorologist Alan Rose because, Alan, we've got another weather question.
Yeah, this is a fun one. We were out at Treehouse Cafe last week on Friday, and our longtime viewer, Larry Music, stopped by to visit us, Tony, after we told him we'd be there. And he asked us a question about La Nina to El Nino, what that means here in southern Colorado.
And it seems like when we switch to the El Nino, we're going to be having a lot more snow. Am I following you guys correctly?
And I was actually able to answer that question for Larry in person. You can see it right here. But now on air, I want to give you a longer answer. Right now, the equatorial regions of the Pacific are still below average, which means La Nina does persist. But the latest signals indicate a transition to what's known as end zone neutral conditions. That'll develop in the spring. What does that mean for us here in the state of Colorado? Near to below average precip, unfortunately, looks to continue, as well as above average temperatures, especially southwest Colorado. The jet stream plays a more variable role, so a little more active than what we see in La Nina, but not quite what we would get during El Nino. So in end zone neutral, this is what it typically looks like across the country. Again, near to slightly below average precip here across the southwest and warmer than normal temperatures. Now, if you have a question for us here at News 5 Today, we want to hear from you. Just head on over to our website, KOAA.com. Click on the News 5 Community tab. From there, you can send us your photos, videos, and your weather questions. All right, let's get back to the maps on this Tuesday morning. Yesterday, the big story was that big temperature swing, right? Colorado doing Colorado things after lows that were below zero. We saw highs in the 40s and 50s. And today, your warm-up expected to continue ahead of a late week cool down. What about snow or any signs of any wintry weather changes? Unfortunately, the pattern looks all too familiar with periods of light snow in the mountains. Generally dry skies on the plains for the next 5 to 7 days. 35 degrees, the current out-the-door temperature in the Springs. We are at 25 in Pueblo, 26 in Monument. Some cooler air out across the eastern counties and into the San Luis Valley. And right now, the big story is how much different it feels outside now this morning versus the same time yesterday. We are nearly 40 degrees warmer this morning in Colorado Springs and more than 30 degrees warmer than the same time yesterday in Pueblo. We have a northwest flow pattern developing with a cold trough of low pressure to the east. That's that Arctic air mass we saw over the weekend, and a building ridge of high pressure over the west coast. In Colorado, northwest flow pattern generally can bring some light snow to the mountains at times, but keeps us dry on the plains. So for the morning hours, expecting just a few flurries to move across Vail Pass and the central mountains. We'll see some cloud cover here early on, and then mild and dry conditions as we make our way towards your Tuesday afternoon. Highs today expected to increase another couple of degrees from what we saw yesterday, topping out in the middle to upper 40s in the Springs. And for Pueblo, we'll see a return to lower 50s. Now, in the longer term pattern, you can see the ridge here. Notice how the jet stream goes up and over the northwest, and then that energy dives back down, but it's sort of in a weakened state, right? No significant storms, nothing coming directionally oriented like what we like to see to bring us significant snowfall. Now we have another weak disturbance in the late week period, and I think that'll continue with some light mountain snow showers out into the high country, but unfortunately more dry weather expected late this week on the plains. All right, highs today across the region ranging from the upper 30s in Woodland Park to the middle 30s in Alamosa. Most of I-25 in the eastern plains today in the mid 40s to low 50s. Highs warm another couple of notches on Wednesday. Thursday, we're down a few degrees to the mid 40s before rising back to the 50s into the weekend. So for Pueblo, it's that old familiar pattern that I mentioned at the top of the weathercast, meaning dry conditions, warmer than normal temperatures, no sign of snow over the next 7 days. Canyon City, the storm track doesn't look to bring us any snow over the next 7 days here as well. We'll see temperatures in the 50s through Wednesday, upper 40s Thursday to Friday. Check out next Monday, a high of nearly 60 degrees. In Woodland Park, we'll go from 39 today to 40s as we make our way towards Wednesday and the end of the week. Nice and mild temperatures this weekend with plenty of sunshine and a high near 50 by Sunday afternoon.